We'll guide you through how to reset ChatGPT's memory so it feels like a fresh start every time. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ChatGPT website and log in with your account. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on that and a menu will pop up. In this menu, look for the option that says Reset Memory or Clear Chat History. It's usually under the Privacy or Account Settings section. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to confirm this action. It's important to know that doing this will erase any saved interactions the AI has from before, so make sure you're okay with starting fresh. Once you've confirmed, the memory will be reset, and your next interaction with ChatGPT will be as if it's the first time. This is really helpful if you want to avoid any biases or if you just want to start a new topic with a clean slate. If you ever want to keep your conversations private or just like the idea of a fresh start, this is the perfect solution. Remember, this reset doesn't affect the AI's overall learning or capabilities. It simply clears the previous chat context. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.